Kuringana na ruhonge rwa Kenya Ports Authority, meri imwe ya iria iri na mbembe yakinyire gicukiro-ini kiu mweri 25 wa gatano na ikiaga kwaurwo kumana na ukunderu wa gicukiro kiu. Gukire uguo gikundi kia athii mutu ni meyumiritie na guikia mateta mao makiuga ati wagi wa mutu matuka-ini ucungiriirio ni kahora ga kwaga kurekereria mbembe ona thengia wa gukorwo cikinyite guku bururi-ini. Mwena-ini wake munene wa mihango gicukiro-ini kia meri Mwikamba ni ateteire na kuga ahete mweke wa mbere wa uri wa mbembe cia kawaida mbere ya kurekereria thirikari niguo kuhurana na thina wa ng'aragu.
We'll ensure that whatever is received is and we give priority. We have to give priority to white maize. Whenever white maize ship arrives, we have to make sure that it comes alongside immediately on arrival. And we are working hand in hand with KPA, the Ports Authority, to ensure that the buses are available.
Niongereire na kuga gicukiro kiu kiri na uhoti wa kurekereria tani 10,000 o muthenya cia mbembe na gukiri uguo kuria athii mutu meyumirie na magire mbembe.
You can see there's a drop in terms of truck mobilization from the millers. Like yesterday, we only delivered 2,300 metric tons, of which is low against whatever we had agreed, 4,000 a day. So we also urge millers to come forward and collect the balance 20,000 so that we are done before the next vessel, which is expected there about 20th this month.
James Mugo uria ni ndereba wa mwene kiganda kimwe gia guthia mutu ni atariirie na kuga gutire na ihingica o ciothe hindi ya ukui wa mbembe. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Mwihaki wa Ndogo.